Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add a speed ramp on your video. Okay, how the way to add the speed ramp motion on your video using CapCut is just by open your CapCut and then import the video that you want to add a speed ramp effect like this. I already prepared this video of a burnt out wheel. Okay, now click the video like this and then click the speed button, this one, and now you need to click the curve. We need to using a curve to adjust the speed of the video. Then click custom and then click it one more time, and now as you can see that this one is a curve to adjust the speed of your video. And now I will try to positioning this beat onto, I think, this side, and then this one is on this side like this, and this one is on this side like this, and swipe the stick over here and then click add a beat to adding a new dark point in this curve. And then click it, add the beat. Then I'll try to make the beat that I already add a same position as the first one like this, and this one a same like this, and this last one is on top like this. Now we can see the result, and it will be look like this. You can explore more curve making using this method, and that's the way how to make a speed ramp. And let me show you one more time the result of this editing. As you can see that the wheels is slowing down and the smoke is slowing down. And that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.